Joke.
Wetzel, how could you? You had big boom boom beans for lunch? Yes. They gotta get me out of here.
But I thought you said we have to wait for the power to come back on.
I did, but the schnitzels.